Mwikarĩri wa Gikundi giki George Maina augite omumemba wa Gikundi giki ni ahotire gucokaniriria mbeca itanyihire ciringi 261 kwa ihinda rĩa mwaka ũmwe iria maigire sako-ini ya Ribazi Homes. Riu marina mubango wa kwambiriria tabarira yao ya mbere mwena wa Kihara gicigo-ini kia ubunge gia Kiambu.
We came together recently and put our resources together under the umbrella of J. Heller. And our sole purpose is to be able to put up homes which will provide homes, just as you all know that we have a big shortage of homes in this country.
Thutha wa gukinya ciringi mirioni 4, ikundi giki ni kiamukirire ngombo ya ciringi mirioni 12 kuuma kuri kambuni ya uheani ngombo ya Jela niguo kwambiriria waki wa units 40 cia gukomborithia.
Our focus is basically those probably who are starting in life and are looking for a single good home that is decent, that can be able to accommodate them and maybe their families as they start up. And so the reason why we are here today is to break the ground and also have an opportunity to give thanks to the Lord for enabling us to be able to do this. And we are very happy as a team because this is a dream come true. We only started this as a concept a few months ago, but today this concept is coming to fruition and we are very, very grateful.
Ona gukiri uguo ikundi giki ni gitaririe moritu maria magereire magicokaniriria mbeca ici makiuga aingi ao ni matindikiririo kuima mubunge wa Thika wainaina wa Jango agitugiria ayuthi aya.
Yes, indeed there has been a problem in as far as COVID is concerned, but the little savings that we've been able to put together, J. Heller has come in handy, as I said, because what we were able to put together, we borrowed about 3 times that amount to be able to put together close to 12 million, which is not a small amount by any means.
This particular project of housing, it is by far, I mean, this is our biggest, I think, congratulations to the Bazi. This is our biggest project so far. And the good thing is that it's a very good example because it has been started by very young people. So I really congratulate this group, and it's a good example and a good model because going forward it means those people out there who say they don't have jobs, this is the time.
Wainaina wa Jango oho ni endekithitie watho uria ugutua icigo imwe cikorwo ciri cia kurima na imwe cikorwo ciri cia waki wa manyumba, akiuga migunda mingi kaunti-ini ya Kiambu irahuthika hari waki wa manyumba handu ha urimi.
Land is very expensive in Kiambu. If you can get cost-effective land, if you can get free land in Kiambu, it is, and we have a lot of free land in Kiambu, and we get to do these kind of projects, I can tell you we can totally alleviate the issue of housing in Kiambu and in Nairobi by extension, because a lot of people in Nairobi are looking for places they can settle in Kiambu. So this is my promise to you people of Kiambu, that yes, we are going to do housing, proper housing in Kiambu, and it's going to be done by you, and you'll be earning money by doing so.
Ihinda-ini riu anyitite mirohongi-ini rwa wendia wa manyumba ni mahinyiriirie thirikari iria ikoya matamu ma utongoria githurano kinene mweri wa kanana ikarongoreria na kinyi waki wa manyumba na thogora wa raithi. Kiribotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mubi wa Shege.